Hello people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary, and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that sometimes, um, sometimes it is a it is understandable when people say that I cannot forgive myself. It is understandable when people say that they come to the realization that that they have made many mistakes in their lives, that they have done many wrong things in their lives, and they just don't have the courage, or they don't have the um, they don't have the inclination to even make an effort at turning around their lives, at doing the right things in their lives, and basically reversing all the bad things, or trying to reverse the damage that they have done because of the wrong actions in their lives. I can understand that. I can understand when people have this intention that I already messed up my life, and messed up other people's lives as well in the process. What's the point of me trying to make amends for all the bad things I've done in my life? To that, I would say just one thing: what's the point of giving up? Just ask this question of yourself. What's the point of giving up at this situation? Yes, you might have done a lot of bad things in your life. Yes, I think we all human beings have done many mistakes. Have done some their share of mistakes in their lives. Everyone has, because at the end of the day, it's to err is human. It is very human to it's a very human thing to do, to make mistakes. I'm not justifying the fact that I'm not justifying your mistakes. I'm not saying that oh, I'm a human being, I'm always going to make mistakes. There's no point in trying to become a better person. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is that the fact that you realized that you have made mistakes, that itself is a big thing. That itself is a big realization. That itself is a huge step that you have taken towards becoming a better person. That's a huge step in the right direction. It is understandable to feel that I'm not going to put any effort in my life. I'm not going to do anything to better my situation. What's the point? I've already messed up my life. I've already messed up many people's lives. I can understand this feeling. But is that really going to help you in the long run? Is that really going to help you and your family in the long run, and your friends in the long run? Is that really what your true friends and the family members who want the best for you, and for themselves as well, but want the best for you? Do you really think they would want you to give up? And most last but not the certainly not the least, do you really think that God would want you to give up? Because again, I can understand some people just do not believe in God. Fine, I mean, it's just people have their own perspectives. But if there is a benevolent creator, if there is a higher power out there, do you really think that higher power, who is the epitome of virtue, who is always who is always who is all forgiving, who is always trying to make you a better person, who is always trying to make you a better human being, do you really think that person, that entity, that higher power would want you to give up on your life? I don't think so. So yes, the path to redemption is always going to be tough. Redemption is always going to be tough for people around the world. It's just the way the redemption is. There's a reason why redemption is supposed to be tough, because it not only makes you realize your mistakes, it not only makes you understand the gravity of the situation that you have created through your actions, through your wrong actions, but it also so that you don't make those same mistakes in the future. But it also is your journey to becoming a better human being, and that journey is not going to be easy for any human being in the world. It's just the way the world is. What can I say? It's just the way. What can we see? It's just the way the world is. So your path to redemption is not going to be easy. You can justify giving up, but at the end of the day, it's not going to help you. It has never helped anyone in the world. giving up has not helped anyone in the world, because eventually I certainly feel that even if you try to give up, God will help you, or at least God will force you to stand up back at your feet. I certainly believe that. I know it might sound irrational and idiotic at times, but I think that even if you want to give up, God will make you make you stand up eventually. So use that to your advantage. Use the grace of God to better yourself. Never give up, because there is no point in giving up. Improving yourself, making yourself a better person, making amends for the situation that for the wrongs that you have done, that is the right thing to do. It's tough. Life is tough. Life is always going to be tough. Life will always throw its share of curveballs towards you, but you have to deal with that. Everyone is dealing with that. So you can't say that, why is God just making my life tough. Everyone's life has its share of challenges. So other people aren't giving up. Why are you giving up? So never give up. Never ever give up. I can understand why you would want to give up, but you shouldn't give up. So this is it from me for this video. I might talk about this more in the next video, or maybe not. Until the next video, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That will help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.